Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to put this delicious sloppy joe together in no time. Yes, you don't have to go to the restaurant anymore to order for sloppy joe. You can do this at the comfort of your home. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and introduce all the ingredients to you guys. I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef, crushed tomatoes, large chopped up onions, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and minced bell peppers, 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And here I have 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. And here I have minced garlic, black pepper, garlic salt, and paprika. So all of them is about half a teaspoon. Alright guys, it's time to put in all the ingredients together for the sloppy joe. So delicious, so yummy. So I start off by adding the ground beef. So this beef is 80% lean and 20% fat. So I'll go ahead and cook until the red color is all gone. So while it's cooking, I went ahead and keep making sure that I'm smashing them so they don't end up in a large chunk. And here is some fat. I'll go ahead and remove the extra fat from the meat. So I use my strainer to take out the excess fat. I'll go ahead and return the meat back into the pot. So now it's time to season this up. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter just to give extra flavor. Then I added the chopped up onions, and I'm also adding the mixed bell peppers. I have the orange, the yellow, and the green one. So I cook them up for like about 2 minutes until everything becomes so tender. So I'm adding my 2 tablespoons of homemade tomato paste. Then I'm adding the crushed tomato as well. So if you haven't seen the recipe for this my homemade tomato paste, go ahead and check that out. I have the recipe here on my channel, homemade tomato paste. So I'll go ahead and add the mustard, ketchup, and barbecue sauce and stir up everything together until they are well incorporated. So I'm adding the seasoning, the minced garlic, black pepper, paprika, and garlic salt. I'll mix and stir them up very well until they are also well incorporated. So I just want to give it a taste, and it tastes so amazing. It tastes so good guys. So but we are not done yet. I'll go ahead and add the pinch of salt and the half a teaspoon of brown sugar. You can use 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon depending on how much you want. Then I added half a cup of water, and I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's looking so amazing, looking so delicious, and it smells so amazing guys. I wish you guys can smell this. So, and the consistency right now is over the board, is so good. So giving it a final taste, Alright guys, this is done. It's done. Yeah, go ahead and turn the stove off, and we'll get this out of the heat. I let it cool down for about 5 minutes. I don't want it to be too hot. It's still kind of hot though, but not as hot as it was. So I let it cool for like just 5 minutes. I cannot tell you guys how excited I am. This tastes so amazing. I wish you guys can give it a try exactly the way I did it. You will tell me, you will come back and tell me this was amazing. So guys, you don't have to go to the store to order for your sloppy joe. You can actually make sloppy joe in your own house at the comfort of your own home, and it will be so amazing. You save yourself a whole lot of money and feed your family to their own satisfaction. Yes guys, so simple, so delicious, no stress, and the ingredients are so affordable. It's everyday ingredient that everyone have in their house. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye now. See you next time.